Okay. So now I'm streaming, possibly. Switch. All right, you guys should be able to hear me. If you can hear me, please leave it in the chat that you can hear me. I don't even know. This is a whole new system I'm using. My streaming server actually went down. Twitch, but I am getting it set up again. So you guys can hear me. Let me know, and we'll get into the trading. I think y'all should be able to hear me. Okay, good. Thank you, JK Rats. All right, let's get popping. OSAT was the top mover on today. I was going to get into it up here, but I'm glad I was having streaming problems because I didn't. So, but it's 1 million in the float. Very, very dangerous stock. A lot of volume for 1 million. But okay, now that that's all set up, I'm gonna go ahead and get everything set up for the visuals, the camera and everything. All right. Man, I can't believe my streaming service went out today, man. So many people were reporting it. Oh my goodness. Twitch, I had to find a whole new application to do Twitch and YouTube. So, boy, that learning curve was steep. But anyway, it's all good. I'm just smart enough to get it done. All right, so let's go ahead and you should be able to see me now. Yep. Yeah. Okay, good. Whew. I'm telling you, I just learned this whole service in about 20 minutes, man. My brain is on high right now. High alert. So I did let that money fold over from yesterday. So now I'm sitting here with $3,000 to trade. OSAT did come down and bounce under the VWAP here. I do think it has a lot of potential to continue higher. It had that 200 moving average up there at the 1268. Is that where that went? It got up to the 1230 last time. So we'll have to see on that one. Let me scoot this back just a bit. Should be good. Okay. Yeah, that's better. Boy, I tell you what. All right. OSAT, what's the news on OSAT? The news, U.S. futures cautiously mixed ahead of inflation data. Orbsat expands global e-commerce presence to 190 countries with launch on Alibaba.com. It's pretty good news. Let's see. Works was also a mover from the end of yesterday. Moved up big during the aftermarket as well. CRTD is one that we've seen before. It's fading off now. BLIN is up for some reason. A government agency in Singapore chooses site search platform Hawk Search. I don't even know what that means. Not too interested in that one. So I guess for the top watch, it'll be ONSAT or OSAT. OSAT. Let's go ahead and look at those and see what that has in store. OSAT has no shelf registrations, has a float of, did I type that in? Yeah. According to FinViz, it has a float of under a million, 0.83 million. All right, so yeah, that's the one. Add that to my notes. Yeah, yesterday afternoon, after I came back after the market closed, man, I saw so many stocks that ran, especially the one that popped up on my scanner that was MDIA, Medea or something like that, Media, whatever, bro. That thing went to the moon, to the moon. I don't know if any of y'all caught any of those moves yesterday afternoon, but they're pretty impressive. But anyway, I appreciate you guys tuning in on Twitch and YouTube. And we're going to go ahead and try to make a bit of money today. Right now, I haven't seen anything I want to jump in pre-market. I haven't seen any setups, but they may come. Got about 30 minutes to the bell. Oh my gosh. The server is back up. All right. Maybe I'll be able to switch, because I would much rather have this server than the one that I'm currently on. So hard to use. Let's see. I do not see any of my information in here. Wow. Insanity. Wow. So now it wants to connect. All right, what I may have to do before the open is switch back over to my server now that it's online. Let me make sure that it's, let me check the down detector. The down detector, I check it every single day. Check Charles Schwab Street Smart Edge. When I was with TD, I checked TD Ameritrade, because it'll let you know if there are any issues with your broker before you take a trade, so you don't get caught slipping. But anyway, let me go and check that for this server that I'm using to stream. Down detector. Perfect, perfect. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna switch back over now. Everything's looking okay. Let me go in my OBS and see if I can get this set up again. Wait, before I do that, ONSAT looks like it's setting up as well. What is OSAT doing? All right, this may be a nice entry point. OSAT looking like it wants to go. I'm gonna take let's just do, let's see if it stays green. Can it get into the 35s? Start moving up. So green for it. It's got to hold up that 20. Wow, completely through the 20 right there. So not expecting that. It was looking okay, but I wanted to see it hold up just a little bit. Hold up that 1105. Kind of struggling to hold that 20 though. All right, since I missed all of my setup, I need to go and use the restroom before I die. All right, OSAT still holding up. Still holding up, huh? Looking like I'm gonna take a, let's see. Looks pretty good if it can just hold those 30s. 25s, dropping down there. Can't hold the 30s, huh? All right, yeah, I'm gonna work on getting my other stream up real quick. That's what I'm probably gonna do. I am gonna come back on live on my other server. I'm gonna go ahead and stop this one because I really hate the way that this stream is streaming.